Actually, I want to do a review of all the food which I got in Harbin. So this is the Tangalu you would have seen on the YouTube. Now I'm going to taste and see how it is. So very unique packing. Can you see that it's melted since I've got it from a long distance. One thing I like to mention about this packing which I saw in China, whatever food item we buy, you'll be attracted to the different types of packaging they have. It's so unique. This is the dragon fruit Tangalu. Let me check how it is. Actually, it's only sugar coating. I don't know how they got that crispy and transparent thing. It's good. This I think is pomelo. Let me check how this is. Can you see? The fruit looks very juicy. Very tasty. Because it is sour, the fruit is sour, and the sugar, there's a balance between the sour and the sweet. Now let me try the strawberry. This is strawberry and this is grape. If you would have seen my previous video, you would have seen this grape. I was telling you the seedless variety. Now let me try the strawberry. Very good. Now the grape. Only when there's a sour component it will be good. I think this pomelo was really good. Strawberry was good. Anyone knows what this fruit is? I don't know. I'm going to taste. I have to go and see on the internet what it is. Some berry, because I can see a lot of seeds inside this fruit. Let me show you. It's very sticky. See? Some berry. If you notice, it's not sour, it has a neutral taste. And if you're a sweet lover, maybe you should try all these things. Otherwise, I don't think you'll like it. But how can you leave Harbin without tasting the Tangalu? It's the most traditional snack. You'll see that Tangalu almost everywhere in Harbin, so you cannot miss this snack. Do subscribe to my channel for more unique travel experiences.